so we are making it out today. We are aiming to go to the farthest southern point on the west side of the Chesapeake Bay, which is Point Lookout Park. We are getting a little bit of a late start, but it is a beautiful day. Going to make it, going to do a little bit of back roads, but then more or less kind of beeline it down there so we can actually get to the farthest point, because it's going to be at least an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours each way, if not a little bit more. So we're fueling up and then we're going to make our way. Look at that bad boy. Conago wheels.
That bug flew directly in my retinal receiver.
We're 33 minutes from there.
From the coffee shop?
Yeah.
Haven't we been on the road for like an hour already? Oh, because we took back roads. We didn't take the straight shot down.
Yeah, so it's still an hour and 1 minute. Can you make it 30 minutes?
You end up peeing yourself, just go like that, and the air will dry it out by the time we get there.
Awesome. So we have just made it to a cafe. This is about 2/3 the way there and has been smooth sailing so far. About 1/3 of back roads, some highways, got to go over the Sweet St. Mary's Bridge as you guys just saw. So now we're going to fuel up on some caffeine and some snacks and then make it rest of the way. Alright, we are in and gonna try to make it down to the very southern point. I've only been down here once before, and it was before Hannah and I actually got married. So here's the lighthouse. Now going to park and see if we can get down to that sign. So guys, this is how you know that Nina gets treated really well if he does this for his Rebel. Or she gets treated poorly. Alright, so how to take a couple pictures right away. But this place is super nice. Kind of stinks that it's 2 hours away, but it is so worth the ride. We are going to go venture around, walk up there with them, and let's see what we can find. Alright, so this is the most southern point that you can get on the west side of the Chesapeake Bay in Maryland. Last time I was here, I never actually walked on these rocks down here, which is sweet to be here now.
You don't have my consent? It feels like the Spider-Man.
Alright guys, so the sun is getting ready to set. We are like 2 hours away from home, so we are going to try to essentially beeline it home before it gets too dark and cold. Today was pretty rushed, but it is definitely nice and worth the trip down here. Plus there's a big St. Mary's loop that I want to do, which is supposed to be like the top 5 like best loops in Maryland, so that will be the goal for next time, and also be able to spend the actual whole day, not leave at 1 p.m. in the winter. Thank you guys for coming along. Gonna let it run out throughout the park, and yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down below. Subscribe, and let's see where we go next.